In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to a deal in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here to your CRM and click on Deals. And you can see right here all the deals that you currently have. So click on the deal right here. So once you have clicked on it, should be able to open it and edit it yourself. So here is our deal. So you can click onto this More option. And you can see right here the order activity buttons for this case. As you can see, we have in here as well our about info. You can click onto the actions and you can customize the property that you currently have. So let's head over and customize that. Let's edit the properties and save it once you're done. Now in here we have the deal owner. You can choose between the owner right here and add some more people if you would want to as well. Once you have added everything, you should be able to share this with the collaborator that you want. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.